It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, go to waste. I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to
doing something different, they can't do what I do. Flying through the air, how could they walk in my shoes? I could flex them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marjorie. Today I'm back with another hair review. This time I've worked with Yolissa hair. They have sent me this beautiful 13x4 22-inch long lace frontal wig in highlight blonde. I think the name of the color is highlight blonde. I'm really in love with this unit, with this color, because at the beginning I was really afraid to try this out, but now when I see this color I'm just like, wow, it's really nice. It was easy to install. The wig already came pre-plucked, and in this video I'm going to show you an unboxing and an installation of the hair. So if you would like, as I said in the beginning, if you would like to buy the same wig, just take a look in my description box. There's the link to this unit. And now I would say let's just start with this video.